Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with one of my favorite ceramic artists. I have a haul from Damyanah Studio. I featured her hand-painted ceramics before, and I've actually even done a video on a necklace using some of her sunflower beads. So earlier this year I did a custom order. It's not really custom, but I did made to order because there were some things that I really wanted from her. So we'll get started. The first thing I got was this cute, I love hearts so much, and I just love how like primitive and whimsical this is. So it's got a bunch of hearts, and I did get some matching beads to go with this. I got two of these like brown and cream beads, so they match. I don't know that I'll actually use them together because I really, really love these. I think I need some more. And then I got matching hearts. They make me so happy. I love this. And she hand paints every single one of these beads, every single one of these pendants. So yeah, it's amazing. Next, I got this mushroom pendant. It kind of matches the other mushroom pendant I got in Tucson earlier this year, but I didn't have this shape. And I just thought it was so cool. I love a lot of the mushroom stuff that came out this year. I actually have made some of my own mushroom things, so those are coming up probably. I can never promise because I just never know what I'll feel like releasing when, so at some point, but that's neither here nor there. Look how fun this is. I love like the point of view too is coming like kind of underneath and looking up, and I think these are supposed to be at night, so I don't know what that is. It might be the moon, I'm not sure, but it's super cute. I got some of these red beads to match some of the strawberry beads I got earlier this year from her. So I thought those were really pretty. This pendant, which is so beautiful. Look, she hand paints these beautiful butterflies. So this one's pink and cream and black. And then I got the hand painted butterfly beads to match. Aren't those gorgeous? And then these kind of go with them, but yeah, I guess I could use those in a piece together, but I can also use them separately. I just really like the double spots on this. Thought that was so fun. I got some black and pink dots. I think I got these to go also with the strawberries that I got earlier in the year. However, if I really wanted to, I could probably make those work. I just don't think I would, but I really love those. And then the last set of stuff that I got from her was this beautiful, I think this is my favorite of today, this beautiful butterfly set. So it's the same design in different colors, and I just love the beautiful vibrant orange with the purple. I really wish I would have thought to get these beads in purple, but I did get them in orange because I was thinking ahead. I got these round beads in purple, and then I got these hand painted butterfly beads. So it's a short video, but it's just such quality stuff, and I really wanted you to see it. And then she has a website. I will put links to all of her information in the description of this video. She also sells on Facebook sometimes and has a bunch of Facebook, well, she has a Facebook fan page and I think a Facebook group. But anyway, my favorites were this pendant, these two lentil beads, and these two lentil beads, but I really love everything. I'm gonna go grab my drawer of her stuff and we'll put them away. Okay, so here is the drawer. There's not very much room in there. We're probably gonna have to end up splitting the pendants from the beads, and I've had to do that with several artists. But ooh, now we can see the red beads are gonna go with the strawberries, or it could even go with this heart pendant. And then we've got the pink. Oh, I like that. Okay, so I had lighter pink. Those actually match the strawberries really well, but the darker pink does too. That's fun. I just love having a lot of options. Let me know, is there anything you what you want to see me make, or what beads you're interested in seeing me use right away. Can't promise it'll happen, but I always love hearing ideas and what you guys want to see. Yeah, we're gonna need a second drawer. Yikes. I love these lentils. It's like little game pieces, like little fun worry stones. Got the beautiful orange. Damyanah, if you're watching this, I'm gonna need a lentil like this, but with purple. So purple with black dots. I think that would be so fun. And then hopefully I'll get to see them in February or January when Tucson 2024 happens. Just keep piling our beads in here. I think we're gonna make it. Oh, these little chickens, I forgot about that. And I don't know if I can find my mushroom pendant. I think she's hiding. Oh, it's all the way on the bottom. So this is the mushroom pendant and the larger one. So now I got to reposition everything. My goodness. But there we go. I'm super excited about that order. It's been sitting here for a little while. I just haven't had time to film it. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you need something from her, snatch it up from her website. Check her out on Facebook. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you'd like to see. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Hey, did you find a sunny spot on the bed? Yeah, you're such a good girl. Yeah. Look at that baby.